Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cakeangel, and today I'm going to show you how to pipe rosettes. And for this I'm using a medium consistency icing. You could use buttercream or royal icing, a flower nail, parchment squares and a star tip. In this video I'm using a tip 21, but if you wanted smaller rosettes you could use a tip 18 or 16. So to start you're going to pipe a star in the center and then pipe your icing around the center counterclockwise if you're left-handed to form the rosette, and it's really that straightforward. So let's do that again. So again you're going to pipe in the center and then pipe around. You can twist your nail a little bit as well if that's more helpful for you, and you can also use your tip to tap down any peaks at the end. And let's do that one final time, showing you the method if you just turn the flower nail. So my flower nail is going clockwise, my icing is going counterclockwise because I'm left-handed, and then again tapping down the peaks at the end. And there you go, there's 3 rosettes. They're really nice and simple to do and they look great on cakes, cupcakes and cookies. And if you're right-handed, you would just pipe clockwise for this or turn your flower nail counterclockwise. Hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.